Okay, so the time has come to have the train arrive and depart, because they're going to be the train departing Vienna Fairfax GMU and arriving at Vienna Fairfax GMU for the last station. And I'm going to go wait against there. And you want to see which one comes. Train is leaving in 6 minutes, so they're gonna have the train come for Vienna Fairfax GMU, because it's the last station on the orange line and it won't be running back all the way over there anymore. And you see that there's a Fairfax connector that it's right over there. See that? It's 461. Look, there's one. It's 461. Look, there's 461 right there. Alright, look. There's going to be a train that it's right over there. So look, you can see the lights that are over there. And remember, there's a train coming that came from Dunloring. See that? There's one coming from Dunloring, okay? And then I'm gonna do something quickly. I'm gonna wait here quickly. So I'm gonna be able to do something really cool. Alright, so when there's a train coming, I'm gonna watch it. Alright? And then the train departing, I'll watch it. Alright? And then after that, I'm gonna be going over there and waiting for the bus to have it here. Okay, let's come back.